How are you doing? How is your family? Thank you guys for your support on this channel. What you have done on this channel to make this channel stand. I love you all. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do, because you wouldn't want to miss any of my tutorial. On today's tutorial, we are going to be cutting 720-degree peplum with quinoline. That's what we are going to be making today. Without much ado, guys, let's move to our work table as we start today's job. To cut your 720-degree flare, you are going to fold your material into two, this way. Now my material is folded into two, and I'm folding again into four right now. Now my material is folded into four. So what you are going to do now is to find the radius, and to do this, you are dividing your waist measurement by 6.28, and I have 32 inches for my waist for this tutorial, so I will be dividing it by 6.28. So because I'm cutting two of this, I will divide my waist measurement into two, which is 32. I have 32 inches for my waist measurement. Divided by 2 is giving me 16 inches. So 16 inches divided by 6.28. So it gives me 2.5. And I'm adding 0.5 to it, making 3 inches. Now I'm marking 3 inches. I added it because of sewing allowance, because it's going to have zip. So I'm marking 3 inches right here. And the length of my peplum is 7 inches, but I will add sewing allowance 1 inch to it. So I'm marking, instead of me to mark 7 inches, I will be marking 8 inches. And that is what I'm doing here. I'm marking 8 inches, and I will mark it round. I've already connected the lines. Can you see? So I'm good to cut now. So we are using this one to cut the other one. So I will go ahead and fold it back and place it on the remaining fabric to bring another one out. So make sure you place it very well, okay? Make sure they are aligned. All right, that's what I'm doing here. So can you see? So I'm good to cut. So I want to bring this one out. So you are going to open it. So we have our 720 right here. Can you see? So what you are going to do is to just slash it. Can you see? You could do it this way, and you could slash it the same way you have cut it. So I want to slash the two together. So this is our 720-degree. So I'll go ahead and join the two flares together this way. I'm joining it together. So together this way, you are going to join it together this way, and you are going to cut lining to it. The two flare I cut, I want to join the both flare together before I attach it to the fabric, and I'm joining it this way. I want to attach the crinoline right here, so I'm placing it this way. So I'm top stitching right here. So guys, here is the upper part. So can you see? So if you don't know how to dart, or you don't know how to cut princess dart, you can check it on my channel. I have tutorial on that, and this is the back, and I will go ahead and join both upper part and down part together right here. So I will come and show you the final look. So this end of it all, can you see? It's very beautiful. Can you see? Can you see the flare? 720 degree flare with crinoline. It's very beautiful. Please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell down there, so that you will be the first person to get notified whenever I upload another videos on this channel. See you on my next class. Thanks for watching. Bye.